All right, back out here at North Baltimore. It's about 9:03 p.m. I have a westbound coming through. Let's see what this is. It's going to be westbound Intermodal. Up here on the little thing up here where you can sit down. I'm gonna go back down here a little closer, get out of the bright lights here. If I sneeze here in a second, pardon me. There you go, a little live action sneezing. There you get a better view of that light. I just filmed another intermodal going eastbound coming out of the terminal, and I'm not sure. I believe this one is diverging to track 1 going into the terminal, possibly. Can't tell. Going from track 1 to track 2, I believe. Going to the terminal. I can't really tell from here because it is very dark right now out that way. Leaving the Truckers Chapel, and knew the one was coming from the west going east, and this one was going east, coming from the east going west. So I figured come down here and a little train action. It's Thursday the 26th of February. Excuse me. Single locomotive up front. Let's see if this has got some DPU on it. Other one I filmed had 3 locomotives in the lead. There's a long one. Going slow first. It's a 10-minute video just about. Sniffling nose. The weather changing back and forth. It's time to, 'tis the season to be sneezing. This is slowing down, so that tells me it is going into the intermodal terminal. So this will probably be another long video. I just might mash them together to one video. This is the nature of this. I knew coming over here to North Baltimore it would probably be slow, as these are both going to be intermodals. And sure enough, hey, but look at that! It's there's the end of it. So it won't be quite as long as I thought it was going to be. If you look there, here comes another one. All right, hope you enjoy. I probably will not stick around for the next one, but I got to head home for the night. Hope you enjoy these videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Click on notifications and watch till the end. And when you're done, go watch some of my other videos if you've never watched them before. So I started this in November when I was on my winter layoff, and then decided to just continue it. So, all right, appreciate it. Got 850 some subscribers, closing in on 1,000. So help me get to that point. If you're not subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe. All right, have a good night. God bless.